What is up guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video you are going to see the unboxing of the Portronics wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I ordered this product from Amazon. If you want, the links are in description box. Feel free to check and you can redirect it to the Amazon website directly. This is how the product looks like. On the top you can see key to combo and it's a multimedia wireless keyboard and mouse. Sides were having latest technology, 2.4 GHz wireless and noiseless experience, soft and silent buttons, multimedia shortcut key function is also available, that's nice. Intelligent energy saving design, wireless technology, long distance transmission. This is how it looks like. Okay, they given a seal here, we need to break this. Okay, side we're having mouse, here we're having our keyboard and a booklet. That's all. I think batteries no guys, no batteries at all. Actually they have to provide batteries here, no batteries. Okay, I'll keep these things aside. See, the keyboard is actually looking pretty good. I really loved the design. See, this is the receiver, connector. You need to connect to your PC or laptop to use these. Yeah, buttons are not clicky, it's very smooth. I really liked it. And if you observe the keyboard on the back, I just now opened these clips here. These are called lift up clips, and here you need to insert the battery. No battery again, we need to purchase it separately. I think they have to provide. And if you observe on the top, it is Portronics branding, and here it looks like two indicators. One is for caps lock, I think, and next one is battery icon is there. It is mentioned as A. I'm thinking it is capital A, maybe it's caps lock turned on or turned off. Yeah, this is how the unboxing experience you will see in this one. So I'm going to use this keyboard for some time, and I'll post a complete in-depth review about this one in upcoming days. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel. So after the unboxing, I started using this keyboard and mouse for a couple of hours, and this is like a short review after using it. The first thing I like in this keyboard and mouse is there are no wires. I really like to use the keyboard and mouse having no wires at all. Previously I'm having the Ant gaming mouse and keyboard, which I already posted the full review of that one. If you missed, the link in description box. That one is having wires connected to your laptop or PC. The connection process is also very simple in this one. Just you need to connect this. Where is that? Where? Here. This is the tiny adapter you need to connect your PC or laptop, and you are ready to go. No wires, nothing. When it comes to the key response rate, the key response rate is really amazing in this one. You can hear that sound, right? Even though it is not a mechanical keyboard, but the keys, when you are typing, it feels like you are touching the mechanical keyboard. So in that way, I really loving the keyboard. When it comes to mouse produces zero noise. As you can hear, the sounds are very minimal. Also on the back side of this, we're having two clips to lift this keyboard. It is really handy for you if you are typing and placing this keyboard on the flat tables like this, and the inclined angle is very good for you while you are typing. Well, these are the things, like a short review I'm producing now guys, and in future I'll try to use this one for mainly focusing on video editing and gaming. And normal usage, normal usage doesn't matter for any type of keyboard, so I'll use this for proper video editing and gaming, and I will produce and I will share the details of this in full in-depth video. Just like couple of maybe 6 or 7 days I will use this one and I will produce the full review. If you don't want to miss that video, just click the subscribe button if you haven't done it. That's the video guys. Bye bye, take care, and I will catch you in the next one.